All right. So, let's get started, shall we?
Beautiful Queen of Sheba. Yes, so great was the beauty of this magnificent black woman, it has become legendary. And now, out of the mist of 3,000 years.
Hey guys, welcome back. So, if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. This is the result of the braids, my edges, and everything all together. I have to say I'm very satisfied. Obviously, next time I think I'll do it a lot better because it was my first time doing it. I also think that I did some research and I saw people that were doing it a different method, which was like to take the hair and like tie it halfway through and then put it on your hair. I don't know if that would work for me just because my hair is so thick and it puffs up very quickly. If I'm not doing anything with it, the likelihood of me becoming a lion is like very, very high. But I hope you enjoy the clip of how I got it. But if you guys don't get the gist, then just leave a comment below saying that you want something more specific, more detailed. But yeah, this is she. Anyway, thank you. So I actually don't know what I'm doing. I saw this video on Snapchat and the ponytail trend, the long ponytail trend is real. So I'm just gonna try and do this. braids. I actually went back and did the braid a couple times before I got it to this way and got it to the size, I mean. And it took me a couple tries, like two more tries from what you guys saw, to get it to this. And I used one pack of the hair, and I separated them into two. Yeah, I separated them into two. Since they were already in two sections, I separated each individual section into two more sections, which gave me four. And then I just did like feed-in braids. And actually, this was my first time doing it and being successful. If you want to follow the trends, by all means, do it. I thought it was really cute, and so I tried it out. The only thing that I didn't do was my edges, and I will be taking pictures, so then I'll do my edges and do all that extra stuff, so that it can really look nice. And so here, I'll actually post pictures on my Instagram at skinny_blackgirl, and show you some of the pictures as well, so you guys can see how it turned out. I would definitely do it again. It's not bad that I couldn't do it again, but yeah. Hope you guys are staying safe and doing what you need to do during quarantine time. I have a couple more videos coming up. Actually in the process of doing another one after this one, so it's kind of like I'm on a roll right now, and I hope you guys enjoy it and stay tuned. And if you like my blowout look, check out the blowout video on my story. And if you like this top, check out my spring lookbook. There are more lookbooks to come. Quarantine has kind of put a downer on shopping for things, but I've been doing a lot of online shopping, so I plan to do a haul as well. But yeah, thank you guys. Please like, don't forget to subscribe. Love y'all.
Emerges today's beautiful black queen. Naturally beautiful, radiant, she is black essence. And her beautiful natural hair is her crowning glory. Today's beautiful queen uses Afro sheen.